the gopis of Vrindavan, the young girls of Gokul, are very eager to get Krishna as their husband, although the circumstances of their lives never allowed them to love Krishna, Swakiya, married love. Then it goes on, he says, the gopis' intense love for Krishna may be seen in the following statement. When Krishna was staying in Mathura, one gopi of Vrindavan spoke to her friend. This is text 15. She says, "Oh Sakhi, if Krishna does not return here to Braj to enjoy pastimes with us, if he doesn't come back, then what does it matter that Braja's saintly queen Yashoda's always been affectionate like a mother to me?" So the gopis are saying, Mother Yashoda was so kind to us and so affectionate and loved us like her daughters. But now her son has gone to Mathura, and he doesn't come back. And what does it matter to me that the gopis all love me more than their own life's breath? And what does it matter that Vrindavan forest is more glorious than the forest of Vaikuntha? What value do all these things have if we cannot enjoy pastimes with the peacock-feathered crowned Krishna? To attain Krishna as our husband, we dutifully worship goddess Uma. So, of course, Rupa Goswami says that Krishna did marry the gopis. I mean, there's 3 categories of gopis in Vrindavan. There's the already married gopis like Radharani and Lalita Vishaka, and Krishna and Parakiya Bhav with them. And then there's a group of unmarried gopis like Danya. One is named Danya, D-H-A-N-Y. They're not married, and Krishna, they have an unmarried relation. They have an intimate relationship with Krishna also, although they're not married to anyone else. And that's considered by Gandharva marriage. They met in the forest one day, and Krishna made a flower garland, and he put it on her neck, and she made a flower garland and put it on his neck. It's okay, now you're my wife, and you're my husband. So this is one. Then the third one is that the gopis, the sages of Dandakaranya, they worship Katyayani. And then Krishna became their husband by stealing their clothes. And that was like a Gandharva marriage also. But then acharyas say that later, after that, Krishna danced in the ras with them. And then Yogamaya announced to everyone in Vrindavan, she said, "This year is a very good year to get all your sons married to gopis." And so when Purnamasi made that announcement, it was at the same time that Brahma stole all the cowherd boys and the calves. So for 1 year, all the young unmarried cowherd boys of Vrindavan were locked in a cave. And then Krishna expanded and became all those cowherd boys. So during that year, when Purnamasi said that all the unmarried gopis should get married, then Krishna married them as those individual sakhas. Very interesting. Ultimately, everyone is Krishna's wife, one way or the other. They're all his energies. So she's saying that, what is the value? Because if Krishna's not here, Vrindavan means nothing. Yashoda's love means nothing. All the love and the service of the Sakhis means nothing. And my own prana, my own life breath means nothing if Krishna's not here to accept our seva and to be with us. And what's the point of all of our puja and worship to Sriyadeva or Durga? Sriya for Radharani or Durga for Chandravali.